This is Obsidian 5739. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. When do I ever do that? Forget to random? Like I literally the other day did it and was like, no, I hate it. And now this time, it's because I did it once. And now we'll do it for the rest of my life. If there's any Borussia Dortmund cards, we'll do the random. If not, what? Callum Robinson, numbered 68 of 99 for West Bromwich Albion. I'm so dumb. Up next for Benfica, it is a rookie of Darwin Núñez, numbered 124 of 195. I literally made the conscientious choice the other day to just random it every time. Oh! Boubacar Kamara, numbered 10 of 30. And it's been a long time since I've got to say this for this product, but here we go. Oh, damn it. I thought I was clicked into the other window. Oh, that is nice. They were one of the last teams gone. 1 of 1. Blaise Matuidi eruption patch for Juventus. Congratulations to Lund. That is a big boy. Check that out. 1 of 1.
Like say cheese.
Very nice. Big Blaze. Just boost. We then have Kevin De Bruyne eruption orange etch. Jeez, 1 of 1. I feel like it's been ages since we had hit a 1 of 1 from this product. We hit everything else. To 50, 48 of 50, it is Buffetimbi Gomes for Galatasaray AS. And then finally, who is this, Tabby? To just 25 for Italy, it is Massimo Ambrosini. Green etch. But the big 1 of 1 of Blaze is very nice.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, there it is right there. Cool. I love that sort of pattern.
Yeah, it's really clean. The platinum blue.
Yeah, plus the little etching, yeah. And that is Obsidian 5739 done.